Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus a Luxury Style. I hope you're having a wonderful long weekend. Hopefully you're off today on Memorial Day. Today I am coming to you with a reveal. I have not worn it. I wanted to share it with you first, but I did go ahead and open it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you will go ahead and join us. This is a channel where we explore luxury, lifestyle, fashion, and everything in between for women any age, because it's just great to be alive. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and let me share what I picked up, what is in this little box. This is something that I spotted at the end of March from Jerusha's video when she visited the Chanel store, and I was smitten. But let me not keep you with this blah blah blah, and let's get right into it. Of course, it came with the beautiful camellia and the Chanel ribbon. I'll insert a picture so you can see how pretty it looked, but I've already opened it, therefore you will not find beautiful wrapping. I did purchase it via Nordstrom's, so I got this little card from them basically telling me that we hope that you love it. And then I received this little thank you card from the SA with my receipt inside. And let's go ahead and get this beautiful thing out. So it was wrapped with the beautiful tissue paper and the Chanel ribbon. And see what's in here. It also has the booklet inside. Let me just move this out of the way. And to reveal the absolutely gorgeous Chanel pearl bag. Okay, so here she is. She is brand new. Here is the tag. I have not even cut this off yet. Here's the information. She is from the Spring Summer 2019 collection, and she is a limited edition. Let me go ahead and open this up so we can get this out of here and we can show you. I'm sure you've seen this already from other YouTubers, but I am very, very excited. Anyhow, I saw this bag when Jerusha Couture went to the Chanel boutique, and later on she unboxed it, and I also saw it when another friend of mine, and I will go ahead and insert her YouTube channel here, she also went to the preview of the collection and saw the bag, and later on did the unboxing. I sat on it and I did not order it, and then of course later on I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. So it took a lot of text messaging and calling everywhere until finally Nordstrom's in Seattle was able to get it for me. So enough of the talking, let's look at this beauty. Here she is. She is an absolutely stunning bag. These are imitation pearls that have been sewn on throughout the bag. Actually, the outside of the bag is a satin, so it is not leather. It has beautiful gold hardware. The chain has the beautiful gold hardware with the leather intertwined. And let's go ahead and open her up. So she is a single flap bag. Let me get this out. So inside it's basically one compartment. Now the inside is, this part right here is leather, and the inside of the bag is fabric. So only this piece right here is leather. You can see the beautiful hardware right there that says Chanel. And again, in the inside, all it has is one little zippered compartment. Here, so see if you can see that. One zippered compartment in there where the authenticity card is, and just one compartment. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, the measurements on this bag per the website are 7.8 in length, 5.9 tall, and then the width of the bag is 2.3. To be honest, I think this is a size small. There seems to be some confusion whether it's a mini or a small. I think it's a small just because the mini, I looked it up, and the mini is 4.7. It's 4.7 in tall, and this one's 5.9. Now the mini is 7.8 long also, and 2.3 width, so they're very, very similar. This one is pretty much an inch, it's an inch taller, so I guess it's a small. To me, it's almost a mini bag, but here she is. Like I said, she has pearls everywhere. The one thing about this bag, and I'll try and take some mod shots, the strap is extremely, extremely long. So I own a walk, and this is much longer than the walk. And hold on, I want to give you a quick comparison. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've measured the strap drop on this beautiful Chanel pearl bag, and it is 25 inches. So measuring it from right up here all the way to here, it is 25 inches. I have also measured my walk, and this one, the strap drop is 23 inches. So this bag has a strap, which is, the drop is 2 inches longer. So it is very, very long. So for tall people, this is absolutely great. For shorter people like me, it's a little bit of an issue. And I plan to, I'm gonna have to go ahead and just kind of put a piece of the strap inside so that it's a little bit shorter, because it is a way too long for me. To give you a comparison on sizes, this is the Chanel walk, and this is the small Chanel pearl bag. And let me just give you an idea. If you look at them like this, you'll see that the pearl bag, of course, is a little bigger. Not that much. Of course, the Chanel pearl bag is a lot wider than the walk. But if you look at how tall and how big, it's not that much bigger. So to me, this is a perfect size. If this is not a mini, then I'm glad that this is the size that I got, because a mini I think would be way too small for me. If you have this bag, can you comment down below if this is a small or this is a mini, or did it come in different sizes? Because from what I saw on the website, it only came in one size, but I could be totally, totally wrong. Anyhow, this is the beauty that I picked up. I am super excited about this bag. I think it's super, super cute, and it is elegant. I love the combination of the pearls and the beautiful gold hardware. I like the fact that it's very smushy, so it's not stiff leather, which means that you can really put more items in here, which you all know I'm a little bit of a hoarder, and I like to really carry things in my bag. So yeah, this is the beauty that I picked up. I think I'm gonna do a comparison video between this one and the Chanel Small Boy. Let me know if you're interested in that, because I do have a Chanel Small Boy, and I think that they are pretty similar in size. But here she is again, her sides, her back, bottom. There are no feet, of course, and this is it. Again, she basically has, this is a leather tab, and the inside flap is leather, and everything else is fabric. And the pearls are sewn on, so I'm not really concerned that anything is going to be falling off of the bag. And I find it to be really a timeless, classic bag. I think it's beautiful, and I can't wait to use it. So this is my reveal. Please comment down below if you do have this bag, if you tried to get this bag, and also if you're interested in the comparison with the Chanel Small Boy. And I will see you soon. Have a great rest of the day. Bye. Okay guys, so here is the Chanel small pearl bag, crossbody on me. And again, I'm 5'2.5". I'm not quite 5'3". And these are my hips right here. And as you can see, the bag falls much lower than my hips. So that's what it looks like, crossbody. I really would like it a little bit higher up. Let me show you if I put it on my shoulder. There it is on my shoulder, really, really low. And forgive the light, there's a lot of brightness coming in today from the window, but that's how low it goes. So let me try and fix the strap to see if I can make it a little bit higher, because that's like way too low. My goodness. Much better. I went ahead and tied the straps inside with a little bit of the Chanel ribbon, and as you can see, it's a little bit higher, so I definitely can wear it like this. Oops. So that's much better. Let me try a crossbody for you guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. Much nice. I don't think I'm going to carry it crossbody, but if I wanted to, I certainly could. I don't like it crossbody. It kind of shoots out weird. Let me try it on the shoulder again, and here we go. And there, yeah, I really like it on the shoulder. Very, very nice.